Hi, I'm Keith Vanderklee from Amina Technologies, and today we're going to be talking about Sapphire Series. Now, Sapphire Series brings a whole new level of performance to the invisible loudspeaker. We've completely taken a redesign of our previous models, like the Mobius series, the Edge series, and said, okay, what can we improve on? Can we improve on the frame? Yes, we can. We tuned the frame. Can we improve on the panel material? The panel material is amazing. It is moisture proof. It is humidity proof. You can put it into bathrooms, pool areas, areas where the humidity is high, without it affecting any of the performance or any of the physical traits of this panel. The redesign also included new drivers, like the 52mm low frequency driver, which extended the low range tremendously. The vocals are smoother, there is brilliance, there is actual dynamics that we never dreamt possible in this new series. They come into 4 different tastes right now. So we have the 375, nice and powerful, really strong bass response, right down to about 40 hertz. That's not bad from a, invisible loudspeaker. Then we're going to go to the 250 for a little less power. We've got a smaller version so that you can also address that same type of sound quality within areas that are restrictive in terms of size. And then we have the Dual. Now the Dual is brand new. The Dual has 2 individual drive units that actually work as one on a single panel without losing the actual content, the intended sound, the sonic performance of a stereo speaker. So here you have a solution that is good for a hallway, a bathroom, or areas where you want to have the full stereo picture, but you don't want to have spread stereo. And that is what that provides. A really very exciting range. If you want to learn more, go to our website, www.aminasound.com, and learn more about the Sapphire.